All right, guys, Canva's done it. They've changed the game for streamers forever. Let's go. Does your stream need healing? You've come to the right place. My name is Dr. Heals and I'm your content cleric. And today we're gonna be looking at how Canva has changed the game for streamers everywhere. And I don't wanna take full credit, but I think it has a large part to do with what we're doing here on YouTube and how we're using Canva. Before we get into that, this stream is sponsored, so let's take a look. Today's video is sponsored by Own.pro, the subscription service from the legends at Own.tv. For just $12.99 or less a month, you get unlimited access to over 400 premium overlays and alerts. After a quick install of the Own.pro software, you'll be able to change the entire look of your stream with the click of a button. Use my affiliate link down below to support the channel and check out all that Own.pro has to offer. Alright guys, and if you're not already, make sure you follow me over on Twitch. I stream every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday over at twitch.tv/drheals. You can come over, we're usually playing some games, but if you have any questions about design or Canva or anything like this, hey, reach out, I'd love to chat with you about it. Also, if you haven't already, hey, make sure you sub. We make videos just like this more than once a week, so you should definitely sub so that you never miss one of these. Alright guys, all you've got to do, and this is going to be a super short video because this is just dope. All you've got to do is type in Twitch Kits. Twitch Kits, all right? And look at that. Everything you need for your entire streaming brand. And some of these are really, really dope. Look at this. Your starting soon screen. Another starting soon screen. Look, you hover over it. This one right here is animated. This one's animated. Your profile picture, your panels, your cam border, alternate cam borders for each design. And if you just look, find the one that fits your branding. You can go in and you can change the colors. You can change the logos. You can adjust it however you'd like and just keep going through. I think this one is really, really cool. And just find the one that kind of fits your brand, how you feel. I don't know there's quite a bit, honestly. There's a lot here. And just find the one that fits your brand, how you want it to feel. So for the time being, if we were doing one of these for Dr. Hills, and wait a minute, I didn't know there were emotes. Okay, we may have to explore that a little further, guys. But okay, evidently there's some emotes too. But let's see. So let's say I want to use this one because I think this one actually looks really good. We want to use like this, right? And I will say this, some of these designs have pro features, but as always, you can go down below and get my free pro trial. I think there's actually a link down there for 30 days of free trial. So make what you want and cancel the trial. Our stream will be, this is your be right back screen. I want to customize this. All right, we're not into this orange stuff. What we're into is in the purple, man. We like that purple. Look at that already looking fly. Now I will say I would go and change these to white, right? Select all of them individually. There we go. White. And just go through, change all these colors. You can come through, you can adjust all your colors, get it looking exactly how you want. As you know, of course, we can change this to actually say our name. Like, if you guys want to follow me over on Twitter, it's Dr. Heals TTV. Instagram is, well, that's, it's just me. But Dr. Heals on there, that's my actual name, Jeff Evans. If you guys want to follow me over there, you want to swap out this because you're probably not that guy. All you're gonna do is find a photo that kind of fits, or rather go to uploads, find a picture of you, upload a picture of you. I think I have one in here somewhere. Sure, let's go with this one. Not exactly what I was going for. Let's see, is there another one? It's maybe more of a full body. I also make all my thumbnails. I cut myself out in my thumbnails anyway. Yeah, let's do this one. Now, let's go back to the one we had. Go with that one, sure. All right, anyway, you're gonna grab it, you're gonna go to effects. If you have the pro account, you're just gonna click background remover and let it do its magic. Literally, guys, this is what I use to cut myself out of all my thumbnails. The thumbnail for this video, I used Canva to cut myself out of the background because, well, to be honest, it's just faster. Look at that, it's done. All right. So now I'm going to, this one's not gonna look as good because, well, it really wasn't made for this. That's fine. So we're gonna go backwards and tab back until that back shortly is over my face. Oh, see, I went too far. All right, get that guy out of here. There we go. You know, something like that. If you had time, you could mess with it a little bit more and get something nice, real nice out of this. But there you go. You can go ahead and adjust and do it just as quickly as that. If you want to build out your whole thing, you should be able to go to templates right here and search Twitch kits and find the other ones for ad page and click it right there. Okay, well, all right, maybe you can't find it in here, but that's why you just click back here, choose the next one you want. Maybe you want to use this cam border. I think this is a really nice cam border, actually. And there you go. You know, same thing, come in here, change out your colors, which seems like this has a nice little gradient, so I'm gonna go purple there, and then maybe this purple. Sure, that works. Change this to obviously be your name, so Dr. Heels, right? You know, yeah, I was worried I was gonna do that. So I guess I'm trying to rush through this and I'm messing myself up. You know, change out all your information there. You could delete this and export it as a PNG if you have your pro account, but you guys know my little trick. If you don't have a pro account, just make this so green that it hurts your eyes, and you know it's right. Chroma key it out in OBS and you're good to go right there. But guys, there's literally everything. Click your panels. Right here is all the panels that you need. Match your brand, go through, change the colors, right? I mean, change them to your color, pop in what you actually want to be there, and export these out. It's literally everything you need to brand your channel right here on Canva. Now, I think a lot of these are free, so if you just hover over, you'll see, normally you can see, Lord, I'm just lying to you guys. There we go. See that one right there? That means it's free. All the elements in that are free. Now, some of these, like this one, are not. There's gonna be pro features, but like I said, down below, I'll have 30-day free trial of the pro account. If you guys want to use one of these that is not a free one, you can do that, like I said, down below. Anyway, I want to see what you guys come up with, how you utilize these templates, because I think they're awesome. I love this paint can one. I know it's not my branding, but man, it's gonna look so good with when one of you guys utilize it. But yeah, let me know what you do. Make sure you join the Discord and share it in the Share Your Art. Let me know what you end up making with it. All right, guys, just another way that Canva is becoming one of the ultimate tools for streamers everywhere. I got lucky that I stumbled upon it and started making videos about it, because now it's so useful and we can do so much with it. Anyway, if you want more Canva tutorials, more information about Canva, make sure you sub to the channel. We're making these videos every single week. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow me over on Twitch, twitch.tv/drheels. Hope to see you guys over there. And hey, keep on keeping on. It's just a thing now, guys. We're owning it. It's so sour.
Your eyes are watering.
Oh gosh, this is worse than anything hot we just ate.
No, see, I like this because it goes away. When you eat the sauce, it just stays in your mouth for a long time and it's stupid.